Ocean Star. I will go and scare those rogues off of our territory. Let's go!
But maybe if you do good, I'll make you my deputy.
And you'll think twice about coming into Shadow Clan's territory again.
Okay.
Hi guys! Hi! Can I play? Oh no, it's Lion Kit.
He looks like a kitty pet with that big mane.
He sure does. Maybe that's what we should call him.
Yeah, that'd be so funny.
Oh, here he comes. Kitty pet, kitty pet. You're a big old kitty pet. Alright, let's go. Wait up, guys. I just want to play.
Never.
Oh, come on. Want to play? Why doesn't no one want to play with me? Why do they always call me a kitty pet? I don't look like a kitty pet. I just want to play. Why won't they ever play with me? I'm not no kitty pet. I'm a Shadow Clan warrior. And I just want to play.
What's wrong, little one?
Skunk Star? Are you talking to me?
Yeah. Who else would I be talking to?
I don't know. I'm just a kid.
Can I tell you a story about when I was little?
Sure. I'd love to hear a story about when you were little. You're such a great warrior. I want to grow up just like you.
One day you might be just like me.
You think I'll be a leader of Shadow Clan? Oh my. Maybe. You really think I could be a leader? But everyone makes fun of me. They call me a kitty pet.
They used to make fun of me too.
What? They used to make fun of you? No way.
It's because I look like a skunk.
You don't look like a skunk. You look like Skunk Star.
Yeah, they were pretty mean to me. They used to say I stunk like a thunderpath.
What?
Mm-hmm.
No way.
Sit down, you want to hear the story?
Of course. I want to hear this story. It sounds like an interesting one.
It is. Many seasons ago, I was a kid like you.
No way.
Mm-hmm.
Come on, Snow Kid. Wake up. Let's go hunting.
I'm ready.
Come on, let's go.
Let's go. Come on. Hurry up. Wait up, guys.
Oh, no. Skunk Kit. You can't come.
Yeah, because you smell like a thunderpath.
Yeah, you smell like a thunderpath, like a skunk. And you'll scare all the prey away.
Yeah.
Skunk Kit smells like a thunderpath. Skunk Kit smells like a thunderpath. Bye, Skunk Kit. Leave us alone. You stink.
What? I don't smell like a thunderpath. Mama, do I smell like a thunderpath? Mama, do I smell like a thunderpath? Of course not, dear. You smell like beautiful roses and flowers. They say I smell like a thunderpath. Of course you don't smell like a thunderpath, dear. You smell like a beautiful, strong warrior kit. Well, not warrior yet. Kit of Shadow Clan. Go on and play over there, or do you want to go to bed and have a nap? No bed. I'll go play over there. I'll show them. I really smell like a thunderpath. Well, they'll see. I'm going to go out and hunt and see if I can catch myself a mouse or two. I'm going to show these cats that I don't stink like a thunderpath. I'm going to show these cats that I can hunt myself a rabbit. Really think I smell like a thunderpath? That is not true. I'm gonna catch myself a rabbit. Oh, there he is. I see a rabbit I'm gonna kill and give it to him. This doesn't even smell like my clan's territory. I gotta get it. Hopefully it is my territory, or I'm gonna be in some trouble if any cat finds out. Ah! How did I catch a thing almost bigger than me? Wow. I'm gonna show him who's the leader. Not the leader. The best kid ever. I'm gonna die. But you, I'm in my territory now. Now they'll never say I smell like a thunderpath. What kid has caught running before?
Has anyone seen Skunk Kit? Skunk Kit! Skunk Kit!
My kit? Skunk Kit! Skunk Kit! Please, Shadow Star, you need to send a patrol right now.
Do you think he's gone? Do you think he's really gone? He really didn't smell like a thunderpath. We were just joking. I don't want him to be gone.
I know. He was really nice.
Yeah, he had really cool markings. I mean, it looked like a skunk, but he wasn't a skunk.
Why, Star Clan? Why?
Oh, I hope he comes back. Cool looking.
Yeah, with his markings.
Why? Oh, Skunk Kit will miss you.
Who can't hunt? Huh? Huh? Who can't hunt? You two.
You caught a rabbit?
A rabbit?
Wow, Skunk Kit, you're amazing. I've never caught anything before. Wow.
Yeah, all you've caught is a pine cone.
We're so sorry, Skunk Pit. Forgive us, please. Please. I just want to be friends. Can we eat your rabbit?
We have to share.
All right, let's share. Yum, yum.
I hope you liked it. I can always catch more.
You're amazing, Skunk Kit. Skunk Kit. Skunk Kit. Skunk Kit. Skunk Kit.
Skunk Kit. Is that you, Skunk Kit? Uh-oh, I'm gonna be in so much trouble.
I believe you caught a rabbit when you were a kid?
Yep.
Oh, that's amazing.
Now don't get any ideas. I had to get ticks off the elders for weeks.
I promise. I won't leave without becoming an apprentice first. But I'm going to show those kitties that I can hunt anything once I'm an apprentice. Skunk Star.
There's a rogue in our camp. What? Where? Where's the rogue? Come here. Okay.
One day, I'm going to be like Skunk Star. I'm going to be the best hunter, the best warrior, and I'm going to become a leader of Shadow Clan. All cats old enough to catch their prey, gather around the big rock. Kugakra, send out patrols. Make sure ThunderClan is not up to anything suspicious and trying to take our